Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Tricknology, and today in this video tutorial I will show you guys how to enable or disable network discovery on your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So you just need to follow me. So firstly, you just need to press Windows and I button together from your keyboard and it will open settings, or else you can right click on your start menu icon and click on settings. So after open settings window, click on network and internet from your left side over here. Now on your right side, you will get advanced network settings. So click on that. Now scroll down a little bit and you will get an option called advanced sharing settings. So click on that. Now here you will get all types of your network like private, public, and for all networks. And from this window, you can easily enable or disable file printer sharing or network discovery. So if you want to enable for your public network, then you can easily enable from here. Also, you can enable password protected sharing from here. So I hope this quick tutorial will really help for you, and please don't forget to click on the subscribe button, like button, and share button. And if you have any question, then comments down below. I will see you guys in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.